Hi and welcome to Words Made Easy. And the word is emancipate. Let me spell this word for you. E-M-A-N-C-I-P-A-T-E. Emancipate is a verb. Emancipate means to set free, especially from political, legal, or maybe social restrictions. Okay? Now this is the meaning, but the word by itself does seem a little difficult to remember, right? Well, let me teach you a short and sweet technique to help you remember the word. Let's say E-man, a person, okay, participated with Mancy, another person, probably his girlfriend, okay, in a tournament to set free people. So you get E-man and Mancy together is Emancipate. So emancipate, right? So E-man and Mancy work together to set free people. That will help you remember the word and the meaning. Now, some of the synonyms for emancipate are liberate and release. And the antonyms are, well, imprison and detain. Now let's use this word emancipate in a couple of sentences to understand the word better. The goal was to emancipate the slaves. So you know, a long time ago, a lot of slaves were treated brutally, almost all of them. So the goal was to completely eradicate and to set free these slaves, right? Now, people think that we've won this battle of freeing the slaves. But have we really? Well, that's for you to think. Now let me show you two more sentences with the word emancipate. We tried very hard to emancipate child labor, yet failed. It is very important to emancipate yourself from mental stress and slavery. You learned a new word, and the word is emancipate.